duplexing. Automatic, manual, not scary in any of its forms. Let me show you how easy it is to print two-sided on a single piece of paper. Now, why would you want to do this in the first place? Well, for example, I've got this 4-page document here, and there's just a lot of paper being used and only one side of it. I'm weeping for the trees. So, with two-sided or duplex printing, you can actually print on both sides. There's an automatic and a manual setting. Let me show you how manual works, because it's actually the Epson that's doing a lot of the work for you. I have my document open here on the computer. All I have to do is go to File, Print, and then I click the Properties button. I select the Page Layout tab, and you'll see right here it says two-sided printing. That's simple wording for people like you and me for duplex. I'm going to turn it on, and you can see you have options here for things like a folded booklet, where we'd actually do 4 and you kind of fold it into a booklet, so it kind of describes itself. But for this one, let's just print on both sides. There's a lot of other options here, such as layout, number of copies, whether or not I want it borderless, but none of those are going to come into play for what I need. So I'll click OK. And now we're ready to start printing. So I'll click OK here in the print window, and we're off to the races. So what's happening right now is the Epson printer is going to start printing our first side of the paper. And just like that, we're halfway there. Now, here on your computer monitor, you'll see that it has popped up a window with some visual instructions on what to do next with the paper. This is where the manual part comes in. But it's really easy. If you just follow the instructions, it shows us that you take it out with the top side up, flip that over, and then move this back and upside down so that now the top front of our papers is facing down like this. And you feed it right into the rear paper feeder, just like that. Again, you follow the visual instructions on the screen, and you can't go wrong. Once you have the paper placed back in there, just click Resume. Now, all on its own, the Epson printer is going to give us the other side of our pages. It's done. Let's see what we got. There's our first side. There's our second side. It's like magic, seeing the tops on the top on both sides. Well, sorry, I get excited about little things sometimes. But it's hard not to get excited about all the stuff the Epson can do. So, go forth and do it for yourselves now.
Epson. Exceed your vision.